Do you have a down payment saved up? I'm only asking because you clicked on a video about how to get mortgage approval, and well, that can only mean one thing. You're ready to become a homeowner. Well, before you start house hunting, one thing you'll need is mortgage pre-approval. Mortgage pre-approval is how you can find out what price of home you can afford, an estimate of what your monthly mortgage payments will cost, and how much your mortgage rate will be. First of all, though, how do you even get mortgage pre-approval? That's easy. Well, sort of. First, you have to provide lenders with the following: identification of who you are, proof of stable employment, evidence of a down payment and enough money to cover closing costs, a list of all assets, and information about current debt or financial obligations. The lender will also look at your credit report and history to confirm you are in good standing. Credit scores in Canada range from 300 to 900. If your credit score falls between 600 to 700, you are in good standing to receive mortgage pre-approval. If you want full approval for a mortgage in Canada, you must also pass a stress test. A mortgage stress test is confirmation that you are able to make your mortgage payments if or when interest rates unexpectedly increase. The qualifying interest rate for home buyers are based on the Bank of Canada's 5-year benchmark rate or the rate your lender offers plus 2%, whichever is higher. As of 2020, the benchmark rate is 5.14%. You can obtain mortgage pre-approval at any local bank, credit union, or mortgage company. The easiest way to seek mortgage pre-approval is online through a multitude of lenders. Remember, this pre-approval is not a binding contract between you and a lender. Instead, it's an indicator of your ability to gain formal mortgage approval. Sellers are more likely to take your offer on a home seriously if you have pre-approval. Once you have mortgage pre-approval, you generally have 90 to 130 days to lock in at a guaranteed mortgage rate to find a home you love and begin the buying process. If mortgage rates rise during that period, you will keep your original rate. If rates drop, your lender will lower your rate to match. If you find a home and put in an offer, how do you get official mortgage approval? To obtain mortgage approval, you first need to have an accepted offer in place. From there, your lender will then confirm your mortgage application. Your mortgage advisor will work with the lender to process and finalize approval before transferring funds to the seller. Once the lender feels the application meets their requirements, your mortgage advisor will send a commitment letter. The letter will signify your approval subject to a few conditions. The conditions include documents to back up your proof of income, employment, assets, and property details such as an appraisal. If you agree to all of these stipulations, you can sign the document and start to gather all the necessary information and paperwork. Finally, you will close on the property. Your real estate lawyer will prepare all land transfer titles to put the property into your name and register the mortgage. Mortgage approval may seem like a tedious process, but if you work with the right professionals and stay organized with your financial documents, the more effortless the process will be. Good luck!